What's up, everybody? This is Carmeezy, back with another video. So today we're going to be taking a quick look at Kingdom Hearts, the Deluxe Edition. So let's get into it. So right off the bat, feels real nice in the hands. It kind of has like a smooth finish, like a matte finish. And that holographic though, yeah, real cool. So we'll look at what it comes with real quick. So you got the Disney pin, and then you got a art book and a steel book. And I think that's really cool because I actually have the other collector's editions. And on the first one, the 1.5 remix, I really like the fact that it came with the art book. Real nice. It actually doubles as a case. But yeah, the art book was really cool. So you got the art book for 1.5. And then after that, they started doing the Disney pins. And of course, since I have the other Disney pins, I had to get this one. So you got the 2.5 and the 2.8. So yeah, I got those Disney pins, and the fact that it has both, I was like, that's tight. They brought it back with the art book, and they have the Disney pin. Got the best of both worlds, because if they just had the pin, I would be like, that's cool, but the fact that they brought the art book back, I mean, I really appreciate that. So we'll go ahead and open it up, and we got the regular case, and I really love that cover. It kind of brings it back to the first Kingdom Hearts, so that looks real cool. And then you got the steel book, and I'm not going to use this for Kingdom Hearts 3. I might actually use it for Kingdom Hearts 1, because I actually have a copy that's really clean, but it doesn't have the book to it. But yeah, so probably use that for that. I think that'd be cool. And then of course you got the art book, and I don't want to open it up, kind of leave that as a surprise for you guys, but I really like the fact that it has the art book. And then you got the Disney pin in there. I don't want to take it out, but yeah, Sora looking all cool. But yeah, Kingdom Hearts came out, well, Kingdom Hearts 2 came out like 14 years ago, so it's been a long time, so I'm pretty excited. I'm going to play it right after I get done with this. But are you guys excited? How excited are you? Is it worth the hype? You guys have been waiting 14 years. Has it been worth it? No spoilers in the comments, but tell me, did it meet your expectations? Are you happy? Or do you think they should have waited a little bit longer? I mean, a little longer, you don't want to wait like 20 years, but still. Did it meet your expectations? That's what I want to know. So yeah, let's get into Kingdom Hearts. I'm stoked.